Hey, good morning, and welcome back to the adventure.
Back to the adventure.
And welcome to Waco, Texas.
Car passing!
So the race is called, or the ride, race, depending on who you are, because there are some people that think that they can race. The Waco Wild 100, sponsored by Skittles. And so Cindy and Paula and I are down in Waco today, doing this ride. We're doing, I think, 26. We're not going to be overachievers. Still should be fun. A lot of candy, what I hear. A lot of candy involved. Let's go see what we can get into. I can't see. So if you can't tell, it's a little overcast, foggy today. I was kind of surprised with that. Hopefully the sun will come up. Okay, the sun is up. Hopefully it'll come on out, burn the fog off,
It's coming.
and warm it up a little bit. It's 72 degrees, according to my Garmin. I think it's only supposed to be 86 today. Okay, first rest stop down and dusted, and they had Skittles. That's a bonus. But I'd have been disappointed if they didn't. Got his ass turned to.
Got a kid. Oh, look at that mailbox. Mailman must with her.
Whew, it's a healthy smell in this area. Let me tell you. Hopefully the rest stop's far enough away to where the smell doesn't set around that. Just having too much fun. Too much fun, too much fun. Okay, second rest stop completed. They had watermelon and multiple different Skittles. So we got some gummies and just some different fruity Skittles flavors. There you have it.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Hammer down. Don't need no side draft in there.
Can I be in it?
Yeah, go for it. You ever been to Texas? They're famous for their service roads, and that's kind of what we're on now, on a main highway. I've been told that it helps in congestion when you get off of the main highway to a city or something. The exits don't get backed up as far as in some areas. But as you can see, it's 55 on this road, 65 on the highway. So it doesn't surprise you people do 65 on this road. Just got to keep a head on a swivel. I'm shooting video.
Thank y'all.
Thanks, y'all. Thank you. There you have it. 26 miles on the Waco. I don't know why I can never remember the name of this ride. Waco Wild something. I guess we're going to take a couple of extra little runs. Schmaltz. Thank you.
I am too. Roll Tide. Roll Tide. There you go. Oh, look at that warrior. There you go. Thank you. Oh, wow. See, you cool, right? Oh, check out the field. That's what they go and all that.
Thank y'all. Okay, slow your roll. Slow down. Y'all like kids in a candy store.